No matter how powerful your PC is, it will not be able to run this because as soon as I press this button, my frame rate will drop all the way down to 8 and this simple base plate is now unplayable. So if you didn't know, there is a way to limit the player's FPS in Roblox, and to show you how to do this, you need to add a local script to starter player script, and we need to get run service. So local run service equals game.get service run service. Then we need to create a variable called max frame rate, and we're gonna set it to 30 for now, and we're gonna have a while loop, so while true do, and in here instead of doing task.wait, we're gonna do run service .heartbeat wait, and now we need to get a we're gonna create a variable local previous tick, and we're gonna set it to tick. Then what we're gonna do is repeat until. Make sure that you don't put in a task.wait here because that's going to ruin the whole thing. So repeat until, and we're gonna do parentheses and previous tick plus 1 divided by max frame rate is less than tick. And if you play this now, I think it should work. So as you can see, my FPS is now limited to 30, and now we're gonna try to do something cool with this. And I was thinking of making a game pass or a dev product that when you buy it, it will limit all the other players' FPS to 1. So yeah, let's try to do that. Okay, so I went ahead and created a dev product that will lag all the other players when you buy it for 10 seconds, and let me show you how it works. So first, this is the server script that will handle the purchase. So there's a function called process receipt, and it's hooked up to the marketplace service .process receipt event, and it will just call this function. So what it does, it gets the user ID, the product ID, it gets the player, and it checks if the player is there. Then it finds the handler function for that dev product. So product functions, which is a table that I have here, and it has the ID of my dev product, and then it has a p call that will either return success or the error message, which is a result. And if it's success, then it returns enum.product purchase decision.purchase granted, else it will just warn the result, and after all that it will return product purchase decision dot not processed yet. So here I have the product functions and ID, and this is the function that will fire a remote event. And what this remote event does is it lags all the other players that aren't the player that bought it. So it sends the buyer, so it checks if the buyer.name is not equal to the player.name. Then it has a last tick variable in here to check if 10 seconds has passed, and in the while loop, every time 10 seconds has passed, then we just break this and the while loop will no longer work. But other than that, this is just the script that we used earlier for breaking the game and making it run at 1 FPS. Okay, so now I did it, I changed this to 3 FPS, and let's test this and see how it works. Okay, so this player will buy the lag all purchase, and as you can see, it will lag the other player and make his frame rate drop all the way down to 3, and after 10 seconds it will be gone. So I think there's like 2 seconds left. Okay, so it's gone, and now my FPS is back to 60. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!